sponsored by Green Chevrolet.
We want to thank everybody who voted to name our new drone. The winner is Ned. It won with 45% of the online votes. Ned stands for News 8 Drone. See how clever we are? Well, yesterday at News 8 at 5, we showed you the drone in action. Earl Baugh Jr. took a few photos for us. WQAD is the first TV station in the Quad Cities to have a drone as a news gathering tool. You're going to see a lot from Ned and possibly James, like last night.
That was so fun. That was really fun. You know what people don't realize? It takes two people to run that.
Yeah.
One to run the drone and one to maneuver the camera to go with it as well.
Oh,
fabulous time. There is a limit, and that is you can't fly it in rain or snow. And well, those are the two ingredients we're going to be seeing as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours.
You're grounded, Ned. You're out.
Love those one-syllable names, Ned. That song comes off so nicely. Let's take a look at our storm tracker, and then, how about this? Let's do a little tracking of some of the wet weather that is going on, shall we? Quad City is located here. Got a little batch of some wet weather. No lightning whatsoever with these showers that are moving in just from the southwest. As it continues to make its way off to the northeast, it will be impacting areas like around Eldridge, Erie, even around DeWitt, possibly even around Clinton before I would say just after our newscast is all said and done. Could very likely get about a tenth of an inch of rain from that. And then this little batch that we see right around Jones County making its way off to the northeast. That will be impacting towns like Macokota, even around Dubuque as we head into the next half hour or so. And this is more to come as we make our way through the evening and overnight hours. Compliments of this tightly wrapped area of low pressure, which is located just north and west of the Wichita area. This will be steadily making its way off to the northeast, and as it does, those winds will start really picking up. And as far as the moisture is concerned, for us come tonight, it will be taking place along and especially north of this warm front, where we do expect to see not just some rain showers, but also maybe a thunderstorm or two. Can't be ruled out as well. And then you get in that blue color. That's where the snow is really taking over in areas around Nebraska, portions of the Hawkeye State as well. This is where we got winter storm warnings, even some blizzard warnings that will be taking place, especially along the Minnesota-Iowa border as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. Any advisories around here, mainly areas around Jones and Dubuque County. This is where winter weather advisory has been posted until about 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and that's where we could be seeing a little accumulation as well, but not the case around here as we make our way into the upcoming weekend. So let's go ahead and show you the movement of this rain, when it's going to get out, the movement of the snow, and when it's going to get out and how much we're going to end up with. 7 o'clock this evening, got some of that rain going on. You can see it continues on, mainly near the front and points to the north. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll move the clock all the way to about 11:30 tomorrow morning. And still we got some raindrops out there, but departing off to the northeast, anywhere south of this track, and you're going to expect temperatures maybe around 60 degrees. Anywhere north and west, and you're talking about temperatures struggling to even reach 50 degrees. Now, as that low continues to make its way off to the northeast come tomorrow afternoon, we will start seeing our temperatures slowly begin to drop, quickly followed by some of that snow that will begin to fall as well. Fly around the area, maybe a little drifting here and there, but nothing that should cause really any major travel problems, at least for most of our hometowns. This is around midnight on Saturday. Last of the snowflakes will be out of here as we get to about sunrise on Saturday morning. Now, as far as snowfall amounts, this is what I'm looking at. I would say around an inch or snow around the Quad Cities and many of our hometowns. And keep in mind, this is going to be really on grassy surfaces than anything else. So that's where I think roadways will be more wet than anything else. And then as you make your way north and west, 2 inches around Dubuque, Galena, as you get to Waterloo, we start seeing those amounts get as high as over 3 inches of snow, and it just gets even higher still. Right around the Minnesota-Iowa border, could be seeing a foot or more of snow as you get to maybe just northwest of Ames, maybe over 6 inches of snow. Could be seeing that even just north of the Madison area as well. So some rain chances continue overnight. Some rumbles of thunder. Don't be surprised later tonight. 41 degrees for the overnight low come tomorrow. Some morning showers out there. Then during the afternoon, temperatures will fall. Before it does, numbers will drop or climb as high as 50 degrees. 33 degrees on Saturday. And then as we make our way into Sunday, going into Monday, Tuesday as well, we start seeing a slight improvement in temperatures before another system comes on in, and that will help cool off those temperatures right around 40, which, by the way, is pretty close to seasonal for this time of year.
Yeah, nothing terrible there.
That's right.
All right, thanks, James.